see where we're going? We're going here.
Yeah, that was actually his birthday.
I see. Not so much.
Hey, I put on my down jacket. I'm fully. I've done like Garibaldi Lake. Yeah, you guys got a pee or anything? I would do it now.
Yeah. Is there one?
Go find a spot.
Just find a tree. Okay. I might find a tree.
Yeah.
So 10 minutes.
Okay, 15.
Here, you can have Sheila.
How many gigs do you get?
And she's taking a picture!
You know, cougars will just grab. If you're like a group of people, just throw a lot of them with the busing.
Not cougars, only tigers.
No, like a tiger.
Oh, they are much larger than.
Oh, much larger.
Yeah.
Kilograms. Oh my god.
What's that?
Oh.
That's a trap cam.
Yeah.
Oh. Do you see more? Oh, the tree.
Yeah.
I like the candy in the car.
Oh, we can go.
I was reading.
Yeah,
That's why I
that's the old.
Moscow.
Yemen.
Well, that's the point, right? Oh? You want to change this one? Bring rye bread. Stop. Oh, yeah. In there, right? To get a little container for oil.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh, he's so huggy, so affectionate.
He loves you.
Taking video. Oh, that's fine. No. Mountains. You don't care if you look. You know, I broke it. Always. But the poles? The roots.
Yeah.
So it's a python clog. I'm not talking about living. Having practice. I mean, maybe in 2 months.
Fight, you know. You go through obstacles.
it's nice. You're like nice and cool most of the time.
Oh.
And
No
you can wear
bugs.
shorts.
The way we're going.
Doesn't mean
Yeah, I have a friend there. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, I'll just take a dip from here.
Yeah, because we passed